Welcome to another episode of Big Lee's Corner. Alright, I lost the paperweight racing championship yesterday, so in case any of you viewers ain't familiar with the other cardboard belt back here, this is the wrestling version one, which is not defended yet until WrestleMania night, where either me or K-Dog will be declared the first champion of that belt. So, in case you're wondering why I got a cardboard belt behind me, hold on, let me chase off Luna real quick. Luna's going after Mosquito Cat. Never mind. That problem solved itself. Let's see, what else? Oh, yeah. Jason Friends bought me a Mickey's today. So, anytime there's a Mickey's in the room, I will drink it on video. Even though it's actually Tuesday. No, wait, it's Monday. Never mind. Well, anyway, this won't be airing until Wednesday. Alright. Oh, fuck, I forgot to introduce what this video is about. There was already opening it up. Anyway, there's a Lucha Loot. Let's see, it's February, March 2018 edition of Lucha Loot. Alright, now to get the unboxing. It's because I had Canadian Mosin right before I had that Mickey's. Alright, first of all, this is interesting. Alright, first of all, we'll introduce the Lupa Pin of the month, featuring a Love Machine, which will look exclusive if I'm correct. Okay, next up, the Kiddies Cartoons Classic Luchador sticker sheet. Brittles photography, Rey Mysterio. I'm assuming senior. Yeah, I'm going to assume this is Rey Mysterio Sr. Black Panther photo magnet. Well, anyway, I didn't do much of my research. Maybe it's not Rey Mysterio. And by the way, the cats are having themselves a battle here. Alright, deluxe Love Machine t-shirt. Photograph 8x10, a black Taurus. A CMLL Shocker figure. There's Shocker Wrestle for Impact, if I'm correct. I'm assuming this is the exact same Shocker, which also appeared in a McDonald's commercial before appearing in TNA a decade ago. What? Penta Zero M Macro Brawler figure. And finally, the Masco Love Machine mini mask. With the little American flags on it. Anyway, sorry for the hesitations that my cats are getting out of control today. Somebody's growling like hell. I'll get on all their cases later. Anyway, that's all for this episode of Big Lee's Corner. I'll try to have a nice day. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more.